I can't see your face. Can't do this.
The flag is too dark for it.
Yeah, it's too dark.
But you can see his face.
I can see his face.
Join us for the arrival.
Ahoy!
Pretty magical. How about you, folks? Would you guys checking in?
Yes.
Yeah. What is the last name of the reservation? With photo ID or American? Okay?
Yeah, I don't have the magic band yet.
Oh, it's
Anyway. Me? Who did it?
For the buses.
Right.
Mickey! I'm assuming valet's on the other side of that bus.
This is just a circle right here, right?
Yeah, you pull up to the lobby and they get your stuff. That's what valet means, homie.
Baby,
You
I know
don't
it's
drive to the valet parking lot. I'm just gonna show you guys the room that we were assigned. We may or may not end up staying here. Primarily because, as you can see, we are kidless this weekend, and they've graced us with 2 queens instead of a king that we requested. So, but now you can just kind of get an idea of what the room looks like. Yeah, the 2 queens. I think this couch pulls out into another bed. I love, love, love. You know, you should have turned the light on. The hard surfaces. And then there's also, you can see outside. If I can get the door open. But there's a cute little balcony. You can come out here and enjoy.
It's not private at all.
It's not private at all, but you see they got a nice little shitty pool. But look, there's no one in it.
Private pool.
Yes, I have to do this PG. You're right, I gotta.
You've got a view of the Swan. So this is a garden view, but it's really not garden. It's more adult quiet pool.
Okay, so let me show one more time a quick panning view of the hard surfaces and what the room looks like. Okay, it's actually nice. I actually like that decor. I don't know if they updated the rooms or not, but I actually like the decor better than when we stayed at Animal Kingdom. And you can see there's a little fridge there, a little Keurig. So, you know, it's cute. Let me get a view of the bathroom really quickly. The bathroom setup is very similar to how the other hotels are. Just kind of the sink and everything is open, and the door part is confined to just a toilet and shower.
That's really living like that.
From Frozen? Is it good? Let me see.
Taste the tomatoes.
Man.
We're just kind of picking apart.
Yes.
Everything perfect for us so far.
It looks nice and brown to me. I haven't gone to the middle, but thank you.
Are you gonna?
I just want to see your reaction.
Okay, let's see what I
It is 5:15 in the morning, and now we are approaching the line for entry. You want to get a shot of that?